Good morning, guys. Mr. Carpenter here. So today we're going to talk about counting. Now, usually when we talk about counting, we try to come up with the most efficient way to get to the number that we're trying to get to. So we all start learning counting by ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. And then we, of course, move on to counting by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then we go up to really efficient ways to count, like, for example, by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Wow, that was a really efficient way to get to 100. But today, we're going to ask the question, what is the least efficient way to count? So we're going to try to count to 1, and we're going to see if we can maybe find a way that is really, really inefficient. Okay, so our first way that we're going to examine is by tenths. Okay, so I've drawn a number line here, and I'm going from 0 to 1 over here. Let's see how efficient this counting system is. Now, you'll notice that between 0 and 1, I've divided my number line up into 10 equal parts. These are tenths. So let's go ahead and count. All right. So our first little line, we're going to say this is 1/10. Okay. We're doing well so far. 2/10. Okay. 3/10. Let's see. This would be 4/10. 5/10. Let's see. 6/10. 7/10. 8/10. 9/10. And then 1 whole. That was pretty inefficient. Can we do better? I bet we can. How about we try hundredths? Notice my number line looks a little bit different now. I still have my tenths here, or in other words, my number line is still divided into 10 equal parts. But notice if we zoom in really close, you can see that each of those tenths is divided 10 more times. These little guys are called hundredths. Okay, you can see hundredths are here. So I'm going to go ahead and see how efficiently I can count to 1. All right, ready? Here we go. Okay, we've got 1/100th. We've got 2/100ths, 3/100ths. Gosh, I'm going to need more space. 4/100ths. We've got 5/100ths, 6/100ths, 7/100ths, 8/100ths, 9/100ths, and now I'm up to 10/100ths, or I'm only up to here on my number line. Okay, I got to speed this up a little bit. Okay, we got 11/100ths, 12/100ths, 13/100ths, 14/100ths, 15/100ths, 16/100ths, 17/100ths, 18/100ths, 19/100ths. Here we have 20/100ths, or 2/10. Okay, all right. I think this is pretty inefficient. I think we're going to move on to our next method. Maybe we can get even less efficient. All right, let's see. Okay, all right. How about if we try by thousandths? Okay, let's see if we can even visualize what this would look like. Okay, again, our number line is divided into tenths here, but we also notice that it's divided into hundredths again. We can see that each tenth has 10 little marks, but look really, really, really closely. Between our hundredths, we've divided each one into 10 more sections. That is 10 times 10 times 10 smaller than counting by ones. Let's see how efficiently we can do this. Okay, I'm going to start here. We've got 0.001 or 1,000th. We've got 2,000ths. We've got 3,000ths. We've got 4,000ths, 5,000ths, 6,000ths, 7,000ths, 8,000ths, 9,000ths. Oh my goodness, we are only up to 10 thousandths, which is the same thing as 1/100th, which means we're only to that little line right there. I think we may have found the least efficient way to count to 1. Thanks for watching.